Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to click and hit that review about this powerful AI website called Console AI. So to get started, Console AI is a special computer program similar to a fancy ID where program write code. It helps you create computer program faster. You can prompt it with what you want to do and it can help you write code. It can even update your existing code to make it more better. Think of it as a super helpful friend who knows a lot about programming. It can even help you use the console to build cool stuff. So I'm talking about the best features about this platform. So console AI has some really cool features that makes coding easier and faster than you might think. These special features help you in ways that regular code editors just can't. So one of these best features about this platform is the agent mode. It comes on agent mode that makes your work super cool and easier together with the context finder, so which help you find a forgotten or a big folder of code. And also it comes in auto command runner, which help you run your code in a simple command runner. This will help you loop on errors, which is help you find out errors on your code, and also come with a powerful autocomplete. I'm talking about the pricing plan. It comes with just free pricing plan. We have the hobby plan, the pro plan, and the business plan. So if you want more information about the plan, you can just get back to the website to check out the list of plans that can work best for you and your business. So that's it.